Hello there, welcome back to NurSM. Today I'm going to show you how to change YouTube theme to black on your PC. Why we need to apply dark mode on YouTube? It can be to decrease our laptop battery consumption, to minimize eye strain secondary to harmful rays emitted from our laptop screen, to use our computer comfortably during night time. Whatever the reason you have, you can change your white YouTube theme to black and black to white. Here are the steps. First, open your web browser and open a YouTube web page. Now click on your YouTube profile photo at the top right corner of your laptop.
If you want to learn more about social media tips and tricks, please subscribe and click the bell button below this video.
Then click on the appearance option. Now we can apply a white theme, black theme, or our device custom theme from these options. Now we have applied YouTube dark theme on our PC. If you want to apply dark mode on a mobile device, I will put the video link in the description below this video. By the way, which mode is your preference? Let's discuss it on the comment area below this video.
Don't forget to check the description below this video to get important resources and latest updates.